spacious living area. So this is your spacious kitchen area. This is your spacious, very big master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Nambiar Belezia, which is located at off Sarjapura Road by the builder Nambiar for a sample villa tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The project name is Nambiar Belezia, which is located at off Sarjapura Road. So the entire project is built on a land parcel of 100 acres with 400 units, and the available stories are ground plus 2 floors, and the available variants are 4, 5 and 6 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. This project is situated bang on the Kaglipura Sarjapura Road, and it is just 10 minutes away from Electronic City and 20 minutes away from Sarjapura Main Road and 20 minutes away from Wipro SEZ. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has all the modern amenities such as a gymnasium, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, kids swimming pool, multi-purpose game court, yoga lawn and many more. So yes, right now we are in front of 5 BHK sample villa called Nambiar Belezia for a sample villa tour. So let's get inside. As you walk inside, you can see this spacious living area. So yes, this is your living area with windows on 2 sides for natural sunlight and for ventilation. So this is your living area, and as you walk further, this is the first bedroom in this 5 BHK villa. So this is your spacious bedroom. There's a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now let's check the attached bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation. So yes, this is your attached bathroom with this first bedroom. Now it's time to check the kitchen area. So this way is your kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen area which you can customize it and decorate it the way you want. And right opposite to the kitchen area, yes, we have the dining area which is again super spacious, and there's window on both the sides for natural sunlight and for ventilation. And now it's time to check the common bathroom. So this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment. Yes, so this is your common bathroom. And now it's time to check the utility area. So from the kitchen this way to the utility area. So yes, again it's super spacious. So you can yes, put your washing machine, or you can make it as a washing area. And from this utility area, yes, you have access to the courtyard as well. So now it's time to check the backyard. So this is your very big spacious backyard which you can decorate it and customize it the way you want. So as it's super big. So yes, we have covered all the areas in the ground floor. Now it's time to check the first floor. So this way to the first floor. So as you go upstairs, you can see there's a big window over here for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So yes, right now we are in first floor, and let's check the first bedroom in the first floor. So this is your first bedroom. Again very spacious with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And yes, this is your wardrobe area. You can customize it the way you want. And now let's check the bathroom. So yes, this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there is a window for ventilation. So now it's time to check the second bedroom. But before that, so this is your living area or your family lounge in the first floor, and over here we have the balcony. So yes, from this balcony you can see the backyard. So it's super big and super spacious. where you can spend your leisure time having your coffee or tea. So let's check the second bedroom in the first floor. So yes, this is your second bedroom in the first floor, which is super big and with a lot of windows for natural sunlight and ventilation. Now let's check the attached bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation. So yes, you have a separate compartment for bathing, and you have a big wash basin over here with storage spaces, which you can design it and customize it the way you want. So yes, we are done with the ground and the first floor. Now it's time to check the second floor. So this way to the second floor, again over here you can see this big window which has been provided for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So even here on the left side you can find this big window for natural sunlight. Alright, we are in the second floor and this is the bedroom in the second floor. Very big, super spacious, and you can check the floor. They have given a wooden finish which looks really luxurious. And yes, we have windows for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And from this bedroom, you can access the terrace as well. So yes, this way is your terrace. Now let's check the bathroom. So yes, this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation. So they have provided a lot of spaces for storing purpose, which you can design it the way you want. So now it's time to check the terrace. So yes, this is your terrace, which is super big, and you can customize it the way you want. You can plan for plantation, or you can plan for a sitting area or a bar counter the way you want. So yes, it is very big. So I hope you all enjoyed the first floor and the second floor. Now most important thing that you should check in a house is the master bedroom. So let's go and check the master bedroom, which is in the first floor. But before we look at the master bedroom, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey we provide a sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly 360-degree virtual projector. So yes, now it's time to look at the master bedroom. So yes, this way to the master bedroom. So yes, this is your spacious, very big master bedroom with a lot of windows for ventilation and for natural sunlight, and they have provided a wooden finish which looks really luxurious. And this is your wardrobe area, which is again super big. You can decorate it and customize the way you want. And now let's check the bathroom in the master bedroom. So yes, this is your luxurious bathroom, which is super big. There's a separate compartment for bathing, your wash basin, and yeah, you have spaces for customizing your storage units. And we have jacuzzi as well. So yes, this is super big jacuzzi in the master bedroom bathroom. So now it's time to check the balcony from the master bedroom. So this is the balcony which is in the master bedroom, which is super big and very spacious. So you can spend your leisure time here having your coffee or tea, and you can customize it the way you want. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So this was the sample villa tour of the project Nambiar Belezia, which is located in off Sarjapura Road. If you have any questions about the project, do mention it in the comment section below. And if you have any feedback for this project, yes, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about such fantastic videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 5 BHK sample villa tour of the residential project Nambiar Belezia, which is located at off Sarjapura Road by the builder Nambiar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.